Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create animated infographic slide design in PowerPoint. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how to create visually stunning and effective animated infographic slide for your presentations. Choose the right infographic template. The first step in creating an animated infographic slide is to choose the right template. There are many templates available in PowerPoint, but it's essential to choose one that suits for your presentation, topic, and message. You can choose various infographic templates such as timeline, chart, diagram, and more. So where do you get these options? Here I already open a blank PowerPoint. So when I click on the file, now you can see there is the few groups like home, new, open, and info, different groups. So I'm gonna use new, and in the new you can find there is the option is called search for online template and themes. You can find the templates from here. You can just type here and it will give you the suggestion, or it will give you the template. And also down you can see few presentations, themes, education, chart, diagrams, business, and infographic. Today we are going to discuss about the infographic. So I'm select infographic. When I hit on the infographic, now you can see there's the few templates you can use from them for your presentation, or you can customize from the blank one. Like if I select simple one like 5-year infographic timeline, when I hit on here, let's see, then I can just say the create. Now you can see this kind of the infographic slide. Here it says the add a slide title. You can give the title and you can just modify it and it will give you the infographic slide. But I'm going to show you with the blank one. So here I'm just click right button and use the new slide. When I click in here, you can now see there is two box is about the title or text box. Here it says click to add title and there is the click to add text. So I'm gonna just take out for now, click on that and use the keyboard delete. The next one I can do that's select this one and use the delete. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use insert and use the from shape group the some shape. Like if I use the circle or oval here and bring it and just resize it, then what I'm gonna do, I just duplicate it like few and take the somewhere, let's see, then I'll do one the resize it and make it to little bit small, little bit small. Okay, then I gonna do duplicate, just Ctrl D. You can see is now duplicate, and I want to use in somewhere like here. Okay, and take it to here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the fill. Here just click on here, then go to the shape format. In here you can see in the shape style shape fill, I'm gonna want to change the shape fill and make it appealing. Like if I use this one, then go back to again and use the shape outline. If I use the no outline, now you see there is no outline, then go back to again the shape fill and use the gradient and more gradient. When I click in the gradient, there is the come with the format shape. Here is say the gradient fill, and in the gradient fill, when I click on the gradient fill, you can see there is the few options. Just you can customize from them, and here you can see is now color, the red color or different color. For now I'm using the red color, and gradient steps. Like if I say this one, now you can see it's changing, and if I use the radial, so you can see it's now changing. Then I'm going to use the direction, so I'm gonna use this one, then resize it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just remove the stops one, and here I use the another stops and then I chose the another color for that. If I use this one, now you can see it's changing, and just modify what you like to prefer, and here is now changing. And you can also use the transparency if you want, like this one transparency, or for that we just use transparency. And brightness you can do whatever you want. Then what I'm gonna do, click on that, go to shape effect, and from shape effect I'm gonna use bevel, and also you can use the 3D whatever you want, but I'm not, and I want to use the bevel one. Okay, for now I am using this one, and before that I'm gonna use the color so it can be appealing to others. Okay, for now it's okay for me. The next one, same way I can do, just shape effect, go to the bevel and use this one and change the color. Just go to and use the gradient and use the different color. If I use like the simple, this one, and you can just modify it. Okay, for now it's okay. Then again, same as we can do, go to the shape and use the no outline. Then same as for the other, we can go shape fill, or you can use the gradient and use the different color from your present gradient. Just for now you can see, use the different direction and take out the outline and use the shape format, bevel here. Okay, then same as we can do with the shape outline, no outline, click on that and save file, anchor gradient, and use the different color from here. If I use the one, or I can use the present gradient if I want, like if I select this one, and you can use cursor for more attractive direction. You can use whatever you like, this one, and use the radial and go to again same as, and also you can use shape effect, bevel. Okay, this one same way I can do, go to and no outline, shape fill, or you can use more color. Here you can see, use the gradient and radial it, or you can move it here. Then you can use the transparency, shape effect, or you can use same as no outline, then use gradient, different color, or you can use the more color, take out the one. Then same way, no outline, shape fill, you can use from here, or you can use the gradient fill here and change the different color, more color, just customize whatever you like. Okay, here already we got the few circle customized shape. Now what I'm gonna do, go to again the insert, and from the shapes I wanna use the arc, and here I just made it and just resize it. Okay, here then what I'm gonna do, use the shape outline, use the different border, more color. Okay, for now I'm using this one. Then go to again shapes, and from shape use the circle and just resize it. Then what I'm gonna do, and do is a little bit bigger, and also you can change the fill color with the shape format and go to the different color if you want. Let's see this one, use the effect if you want a 3D, like here if you want to 3D here, or you can just click on that, go to again, use the and shape and shadow. You can use the shadow so it can be appealing to the audience. Now you can see it's little bit changed. Then what I'm gonna do, I will take this to here by animated. So before that, what I'm gonna do, go to the insert text box and just write 01 and take it this 2 in the here. Okay, then resize it and use the different font color, text fill. If I use the white one, then let's see. Then same as I can just duplicate it, Ctrl D. Before that, I can just use the text color, the difference, so it can be highlight. Then same way I can do duplicate it, move it to here, duplicate, Ctrl D, and again use the Ctrl D. Yeah, now you can see. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the number to, if I use this one, 3, 4, and if I say 5, so it's now 5. Then what I'm gonna do, I will take this to the here, this circle to here by animated. So I'm gonna do again, click on here and use the animations, and so before that, what I'm gonna, I want to change this color with the shape file, use a different color. Okay, for now I'm using this one. Then click on that and use the animation or custom. Okay, let's see how it will come. If I use this one, so it will come up like this. So before that, I'm just take out this one, the top, this is a 5. Then next one for 4 I can do for the, then same way I can do for the other. Let's see how it will come. Yeah, okay. Then here is another point, just you can another duplicate it, just click on that, Ctrl D, and use like here, and use the another save file, fill the different color. Okay, for now you can use, click on here and use the animation custom path. Let's see how it will come. Yeah, you can see now it's changed the path. Then you can just use the more circle in here, just duplicate it and take it to here, and you can customize the color. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use here the text box. Let's see so how it will come first. When I click in here, it's come up like this. And you can see now here. Then take it to font, so click on that and save and bring it to font, so it will come out the font. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the text box, insert text box, and say add text for details. If I say details and use the size, change the size, and what I'm gonna do, just copy it, or you can just duplicate it, same as duplicate, and duplicate, you can see. And also you can use the, like if you want to use the different shape, outline, so you can use from here the outline if you want to, for the outline from here. That's okay. For now I'm going to just use the format painter, same as I can do format painter. Then now you can see how it will come. Go to the animation and use the preview. Let's see how it will come. If I say like this, so it will come out the like, yeah. But what I'm gonna do, I can just tweak it a little bit. Then before that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the different background. Go to the design and use the format background and use the gradient. Change the different gradient so it can be visual to the audience. Then it will come with this one, like when it come here, so text will come with this. Before that, we can just use the after and not on mouse click here, and click on that again, save format, the add animation or effect. So when I click on the effect, let's see, is the unlocked animation fan. You can see this is the animation fan, so you can just click on that, go to the animation, and just you can use the fade. It will come up like this. And what can I do, I just take out to the first one, then it will come. Let's see how it will come. Now the text box, stop it. Then same as I can just duplicate it, so use the animation painter, the one, and use this one, and same way I can do for the other. Click on that animation painter. Now just you can move it, just click on there, move it. So let's see with the slideshow how it will come. When I click on the slide, it will come like this, a text for details, yeah. So now you can see the step to do the infographic slide. So how do you do that? Like first you have to customize your slide, then add animation slide, then use the motion graphic, then it's the preview and save your slides. So creating an animated infographic slide can help make your presentation more engaging and more memorable. By following these simple steps, you can create stunning and effective animated infographic slide that will impress your audience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.